Hey, Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital at Business Growth Guys, a Wizard of Ads partner. I'm going to look at this particular HotJar recording with you and tell you about a couple of the changes we're going to make on this website as a result of looking at the HotJar. So I hit play and the person's on the home page and they immediately go to the product and they start looking at the various colors. Now we've named them uniquely so they don't necessarily mean something to the person. So they make a choice, they make a selection, and they bring up one of the color pages. But you can see they're debating over which one to look at. So they pick stone, and up comes stone, and they look at it. Now I'm going to pause it on one of these. So then they flip, they go to mountain slate. And then they go to Eclipse. And I'm going to, when they scroll here, okay, I'm going to pause the recording. So what we found out, or what we discovered, is down here under these pictures, we should actually have each of the 6 colors come up and let somebody select from the colors at the bottom of the page. We're also going to add a line in under this text description that says, see this color on your roof, which will actually be a link to the visualizer. The visualizer is an online tool that lets somebody upload a picture of their house and select color and actually put it on the roof. And so what we realized is people weren't making that link. So we're going to actually add a link on each one of these color pages and then add color selection to the bottom of each one of these pages to allow people to navigate as they scroll down. They go, okay, I'm done with this one. I'll choose the next one, just to make it a little bit easier. Because people were using the Our Products section down here at the bottom as well to navigate. So anyways, we're cleaning that up, and that was something that we reviewed with the client, and we're going to be making those changes. So there's a way you can use a HotJar recording to see how people are using your website and come up with ideas for making creative changes. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If this was helpful, give me a like and subscribe to see more. Thanks.